Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies mug. Start by gathering flour, sugar, butter, egg yolk, vanilla, baking powder, salt, and chocolate chips. Measure carefully and mix dry ingredients separately from wet ingredients for even texture. Combine gently to avoid overworking the dough. Spoon into a greased mug, press chips on top, and microwave in short bursts to avoid a dry center. Let cool briefly before enjoying. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies mug. Measure ingredients precisely. 3 tablespoons flour, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, a pinch of baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. Melt or soften 1 tablespoon butter, then mix with 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Stir in 2 tablespoons chocolate chips until distributed. Ready the mug by greasing lightly to prevent sticking. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies mug. Mix only until ingredients just combine to keep a tender crumb. Microwave on medium power in 20 to 30-second bursts, checking texture between bursts to prevent overcooking. The center should look slightly underdone when you stop. Let the mug sit for about 60 seconds to finish cooking gently and firm up without losing moisture. Enjoy warm or with a scoop of ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.